Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix speaker not working or sound problem on your Oppo A93. So just don't forget to subscribe if you're first time on SS Solution channel. So to fix sound or speaker problem on your Oppo A93, first of all simply just find your settings option and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.